Hello and welcome to INA Today with Minadir. NEET row unending. Government appoints panel to probe irregularities. On June 4th, as most of India had its eyes on results of Lok Sabha elections, the National Testing Agency (NTA) published the results of the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test undergraduate NEET. The Education Ministry has formed a panel to reassess the results of more than 1,500 students who received grace marks in the NEET UG 2024 exams. According to National Testing Agency DG Subodhya Singh, the competitive examinations is conducted for admission to medical, dental and Ayush courses in government and private colleges. The panel will consist of 4 members, chaired by a former UPSC chairperson, who will be examining the potential discrepancies in the NEET 2024 result. The committee tasked with reviewing these cases is expected to present its findings within the next week. The committee, after a thought examination, will decide upon whether to offer a retest to the impacted over 1,500 applicants or to develop an extended formula for grace marking. The committee, after thorough examination, will decide upon whether to offer a retest to the impacted or 1,500 applicants or to develop an extended formula for grace marking. Despite this, Singh clarified that the allocation of grace marks in NEET has not impacted any qualifying criteria. The results drew immediate attention for the extraordinarily large number of candidates who got the perfect score of 720 out of 720, and for the reason that some candidates got 718 or 719 marks that others claimed were impossible to get in the scheme of the exam. Students and parents are demanding intervention from the Prime Minister and the Education Ministry to investigate these anomalies. The Indian Medical Association (IMA) Junior Doctors Network has called for a CBI inquiry. The results were released unusually quickly and coincides with election, raising suspicion on the credibility of the NTA. According to NTA data, 9,96,393 male candidates, 13,31,321 female candidates, and 7 transgenders candidates appeared for the exam, with an overall attendance of 96.94%.
और उनके ग्रीवांसेस एड्रेस किए कि जिससे जो 23 लाख कैंडिडेट्स हैं उनका भी इशू ना हो और जो इतने कैंडिडेट्स हैं उनके भी इशू ना हो। हमने ग्रीवांस रिड्रेसल कमेटी बनाई थी, उसने जो रिकमेंडेशंस दी थी उनको जो है एक हाई पावर्ड कमेटी एनालाइज कर ले। तो एक हमने कमेटी बनाई है, उस कमेटी इनको एक बार फिर से देख लेगी कि जो इनके ग्रीवांसेस थे 1600 कैंडिडेट्स के, उनके भी ग्रीवांसेस ना रहें और जो 23 लाख लोगों के मन में हैं कि काफ़ी सारे टॉपर्स आ गए, ये आ गए, तो इनके भी इशूज वो ना हो। जो रिजल्ट प्रिपेयर हो जाता है तो वी अनाउंस इट। पहले भी एग्जाम में जैसे जेई में भी हमने जो डेट पहले एनटीए में कभी डेट नहीं होती थी कि किस डेट को करेंगे। इस साल से हमने ये किया कि एक अपने लिए एक आउटर टारगेट रखते हैं।
A thorough inquiry has to be made in the entire conduct of NEET exam, fixing accountability and bringing credibility and transparency to the NTA, to the satisfaction of students, parents and all stakeholders. Thank you for watching INA Today.